Well, hi guys. This is Dimitri here with creditrepairco.net. Let's take a look at this case study. This is a classic case when it comes to severity of the credit disaster. Look at this particular file. We have this 18 late accounts, a few collections. So when you see this 18 late accounts, that means repos, charge-offs are all included in that particular number. So as you can see, 18 and 220, almost 2021 on each credit bureau. So the client has almost no credit left. And it's been like this for a couple of years for this particular client. So let's take a look what it took to bring this client back to 700 plus FICO score. So he came in around February 1st. Just to let you know, as a part of our process, we do VOD. What that is verification of debt. What it means, we contact each and every single creditor out of those 60 different companies, and we want them to verify, we want them to contact back with us and to verify your debt. So that's the first stage of our credit repair process. Some banks it takes a couple of days, some banks it takes a couple of weeks to get the VOD done. But let's take a look how the file was moving along. So it came in around February 1st. Let's go somewhere to, and this client is so anxious. As you can see, he has like three credit bureau reports. He would update it every other day. So right now he has 53 tri-merged reports. So let's take a look how the file was progressing. Let's see. Let's take a look at April 23rd. So loading. Experian is almost clean. You only have 5. TransUnion is almost clean. Only have 1 left. And TransUnion is already up to 720. And Experian still had a few negative items lingering. When it comes to credit repair, the fastest results we get from Experian and TransUnion, and then we get results from Equifax. Equifax is it's kind of known to throw out your disputes. Pretty much, they don't take any actions. So the client just called me this morning and sending me emojis with "I love you" with hearts and everything, because his Experian right now is 756 as of May 30th. His TransUnion is still at 720, and Equifax has 14 items that are in dispute as we speak right now. As I mentioned to you, Equifax is the last one to update all the reports, all the disputes. So as soon as this is done, probably takes another week or so, the client will have 700 plus across the board. He already was able to actually, based on his experience in TransUnion, he was able to open 35,000 American Express card because American Express pulled his Experian. Anyways, so that's before and after. This is as good as it gets, from 60 negative items to pretty much no negative items. This is only one account that's here is showing late. It's 3-year-old late, and we didn't want to remove that account because it has a lot of good payment history besides that 3-year-old late. Okay, so that's the journey for this particular file. As you can see, it's been well worth it for the client. It took a while, but again, the file had almost 60 different negative items to work with. If you guys have any questions, if you need any advice on credit restoration, or if you need some help with funding, you're looking for more funding sources. Let's say you fix your credit, but now what? how you can obtain those lines of credit to start your business or get back in business. Maybe you filed a VK before, so we can help you to figure out the game plan and bring you back, to the business world, where you can keep on working on your achieving your American dream, whatever that may be. Anyhow, once again, this is Dimitri with Credit Repair Co. Give us a call or just comment here on this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's stay in touch. Thank you so much.